Hi and welcome to Moonworkers, your all-in-one platform to streamline shift management by planning rotas, running payroll and managing HR from the same system. In this video, I'll show you some of the main Moonworkers functionalities. As you can notice, the top navigation bar contains 5 tabs. For this virtual tour, I will show you the entire user flow, from scheduling a rota to running payroll and managing HR. Firstly, let's go to the rota section and create a shift together. Pick a date from the calendar. And click on Add Shift. At this stage, you have 2 options. First, you can select the workers yourself and assign them shifts. Second, you can select Open Shift to create a list of eligible employees who can apply to it. To make it simple, let's choose Select Worker. Next, pick a location. Your shift start and end time. Add breaks, if any, and click on Next. Now, select your employees. Send some instructions to your employees and save it. You can build your entire work week by customizing all of your shifts or simply duplicate them if you operate with shift patterns. For example, I'm going to duplicate the shift that we just created for these 2 dates. I'm happy with my schedule, so I'm going to publish it. Now, let's assume that you have a field staff manager who checks on your workers' clock-ins and outs. They can log in to the report and track when your employees' clock-ins from their Moonworkers app for employees and where from. For instance, we can see that this employee has already clocked in and out. I can edit anything if I spot any mistakes. I can also save some private information for later. And I'm done for today. When closer to the payroll date, Moonworkers auto-generates all of your employees' timesheets. You can edit them. Once validated, my payroll manager and I receive a notification that the payroll is ready for finalization. So, let's do this. First, I can see my payroll summary, including the national insurance and pension contributions. Notice that all the numbers are updated in real time between each pay run. So if someone gets a bonus or works more hours than expected, for example, you'll see that from this page. Second, I have a recap for my hourlies. Third, an outline of all the pension contributions. Finally, each employee's gross to net. Okay, I'm happy with it, so I'm going to run it. For that, I just need to click on that call to action, toggle those buttons to auto-submit my RTIs to HMRC, and send these entries to my accounting software. And that's it. All the payslips have been created and sent to your employee's mobile app. We can see that HMRC has already received and accepted our full payment submission. So I hope that I have already proven to you that Moonworkers can save you hours of work and hundreds of back and forth with all your company's stakeholders. Thirdly, let's see how Moonworkers can streamline your HR operations. To start with, let's validate a holiday request. Before accepting, look at your team holiday calendar by filtering this tab here. Okay, the team calendar seems pretty clear. Additionally, I can see how many days of allowance this employee has, which seems okay. No reason to refuse, so I'm going to accept. All set. As you can see, the process is the same for expenses validation. Then let's see how to deal with day-to-day operations. Moonworkers allows you to sign documents directly through its interface. You can request a document from your employee or upload one yourself. Let's use the latter to get a better understanding of what's going on. At this stage, I'm categorizing the document to keep everything tidy. Simply upload your document, create a signature procedure, and sign it thanks to HelloSign integration. Moreover, you can use Moonworkers to create HR workflows. For instance, suppose that we are onboarding a new joiner. Simply go to the workflow section and use a template you previously created. Next, let's add a step together. Give it a name, assign an employee, due date, and share some information with the assignee. Once happy with it, start the workflow. You can now track its advancement through this very simple dashboard. You can even communicate with your assignee. And that's it for this quick tour. Feel free to reach out to our team if you want to see more or have any questions. Bye for now.